Hi, Raul. Here are some corrections from today's class. Starting with a little bit of pronunciation, so practicing the difference between y and j. Chiste, joke, joke. So my teeth touch when I say that, joke. And yema, yoke, yoke. My teeth don't touch when I say yoke. Okay. Categoría. Category. Category. Okay. Todos cogimos fiesta el viernes. All of us took Friday off. All of us took Friday off. No pongo mucha atención a esas cosas. I don't pay attention to those things. I don't pay attention to those things. Okay. Cuando era joven, tuve una cirugía en el dedo. When I was young, I got surgery done on my finger. When I was young, I got surgery done on my finger. Era molesto. It bothered me. It bothered me. Okay. Empezamos el viaje viernes por la mañana. We got the trip started on Friday morning. We got the trip started on Friday morning. La policía nos pararon en Teruel cuando fuimos por un café. We got stopped by the police in Teruel when we got a coffee. We got stopped by the police in Teruel when we got a coffee. And last thing, ellos tenían la razón. They were right. They were right.